$50 to $100 over and over for free by just downloading an ebook. Yes, you heard it right. You can make money online by selling an ebooks for free of cost. So if you're new to this channel, what you need to do is you just need to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, because I create videos on a daily basis where I share tips and strategies on how to make money online from legit ways. All right. And what you're going to learn in this video, the first thing is how you going to make $100 to $1,000 by end of this video. So what you're going to do is you need to stay till the end so that you can learn all the exact strategies which I'm going to share in this video. How to make a part-time income from the comfort of your home. How to make sure you have a daily consistently income coming in. This method is basically a newbie friendly. So consistency and the mindset is the basic key for anyone to get success. Right? So the first method, guys, is you just need to go to this particular website, which is called In Digital Works. Yes. Yeah, you can see that this particular website is being trusted by 100,000 internet marketers, webmasters, and the bloggers, right? So this is a high quality PLR products, okay, which you can sell to your customers. And this particular website is all about from 2008. So it means that this is one of the trusted website which you can definitely go through it. All right. So you can see here, this is particularly when you're registering it, you can register for free of cost, and you can definitely get an access to nearly about some 200 products. Okay. So what you need to do is you just need to sign up and go to the next page. Okay, so when you go to the next page, okay, so what would happen is you would go to the introduction pages. Okay, you would definitely go to the introduction pages. So for that, what you need to do is from your introduction page, you just need to go to free ebooks. Okay, so once you go to this particular free ebooks, you would find this particular page, right, where you would be focusing on one particular main concept over here is master resale rights. Yes, you heard it right. It is called master resale rights. Okay, because you would be seeing there are certain books over here, they don't have the reselling master. You can see here, this particular thing is you cannot sell them, but you can personally use them. All right. So when I see some of these products, okay, like this one particular product, I'm just taking into a consideration just for an example purpose. Okay. So what I do is I click on it, I check the information. Okay. And you would see there's some, okay. I'm just clicking on this particular product. Let me see whether this particular product is available or not. Okay, so we have to keep checking that there are certain products which may not be, I mean, the website might be slow or something, right? So you always have to check whether they do have a master resale rights. Okay, and here once you get this information, you can also see that what and all this particular information they give us. Right, and you can see here whether see website of this product, additional page like thank you page, see thank you page of this product, landing page, thank you page, landing page. So they have plenty of landing page and thank you page which you can actually check in and definitely come up with your own landing page with something with this. Okay, something with this. So you can see here, you can just copy paste something like this and create even yours. Okay, and grab the emails if you're promoting it and give the report. And this is, can you see here, this is conversion explosion, how to convert leads into customers, right? So this is how is basically the information would be here, right? And you just need to check. Okay, you can sell them, so you just have to omit the free version, giving them something for free, and you just need to download them. So you can see here how these informations are over here, right? So it, and here also you can see all this information that particularly whether this particular product can be sold or not. So you have to check all this information, and then you have to try particular products to reselling it. So once we have this information, I just wanted to share you one more website where you can also download some of the ebooks. All right, and then I will be sharing you the particular website where you can upload this particular product and sell it. Okay, so the next website which I wanted to talk about is freeplrdownloads.com. Yes, freeplrdownloads.com. It's one of the legit website where you can definitely download various ebooks. Okay, you can see here these are the various categories, the niches, right? And you have all different niches. Like we have to go to PLR books, free PLR books. Okay, and once we have this free PLR books, okay, so once we have this, I'm so sorry, I just have to go to PLR books. Okay, so once we have this free PLR books, it will be pulled down in just a second. Okay, so once we have this, okay, you would see here we have tons of products which we can sell it, right? So you can sell any of the product with your own niches, right? And I definitely like this because Facebook monster marketing mistakes, right? I mean, this is so well designed, right? And definitely if you want to explore even on Pinterest, you can do that. So anything you wanted to sell, you can just have to click on this, okay, and you just need to download them. Okay, and that's what you need to do it. So you can grab all these informations, okay, and then the next website which I wanted to talk about is, even over here you can see here license, it's PLR, right? So you can see here whether you will be selling or not. You actually can sell it. It is already about some 21 pages, and they don't have any sales page and squeeze page. You have to create your sales page and squeeze page. So that is one thing which you need to keep in mind. So where you have to sell this particular products, now you have all the products, but where you have to sell them. So this is the particular website where you would be selling your ebooks, okay, uploading them, that this is your particular ebooks, right? So you can see here this Gumroad helps creators do more of what they love. Like they have earned anywhere over $305 million selling films, courses, music, and books. Okay, and a lot of things. So over here what you need to do is you just need to sign up with this Gumroad, and after that you have to complete your profile, and the next step which you need to do is click on products. Once you click on the products, I'm so sorry, once you click on this particular products, okay, so you have to list your particular products which you have downloaded them. So I have already drafted for you guys. Okay, you can see here the name of a particular product. Okay, so I've written a name, I've written descriptions, I have even uploaded the cover book image. Here you have to upload the cover book image. Okay, and if you want, you can add some 2 or 3 tons of resources, and you can give any call to actions like I want this or buy this, and you will get what you have to add little summaries over here. Okay, and after that you have to upload your PDF which you would be getting when you're downloading it. So you have to upload it from your computer or from your Dropbox. Okay, and if you want, you can use even this. Okay, and the next thing is you have to price it. So how much money you want to price it. You can start anywhere between $20, $30, or $50, or $100, or whatever it is, right? So you can do it, and once you do it, okay, once you complete all this process, okay, believe me, you just need to click on save changes. So once you click on save changes, everything whatever you have everything what you have put in here, it will be saved. And the next process which you need to do is you just need to go to the next page which we call it as, okay, which we have to go over here, which is called as checkout, right? What you need to do is you need to type in elsewhere. Okay, so what I've done is I have done this too, added this informations, and if you wanted to add this, you can definitely add this information. All right, and definitely you can add all this information whatever you wanted to add in, so that you would see all this done. And once you do it, you just need to click on save changes, and then you need to publish it. Okay, and once you publish it, right, so you will get this information where you can particularly share this particular product. Either you can have an overlay, either you can have an embedded list, whatever you want it to. So if you want an overlay, you can give like auto trigger. You can just click on that and buy my product, something like this, right? And once you have this, what you need to do is you just need to send traffic to your particular offers like this. Okay. So once I have this informations, okay. So what I do is I just wanted to see this. Okay, I just wanted to copy this URL, and I will just type in over here the URL to see how my product will look like. So once I see that this is how my particular product will look like, okay, so I would be definitely happy, and this is how even you can scale up your business on selling this ebook. Okay, you can also scale up, and definitely the pricing can be anything. Okay, so you just assuming that in a day, if you can selling anywhere between like say about like 5 to 6 ebooks, you would make anywhere between, depending upon the pricing, right? So for an example, default I've just taken $50, so you would be making anywhere between if I take into consideration 5 sales a day, so you would make anywhere between $250 a day. So that is how the consistency will be happening, and you would be sending a lot of traffic to that particular link of yours. So thank you so much for watching this video, and just click on the subscribe button and join my Facebook group, where I'll share a lot of tips and strategies on how to make money online from home. Thank you so much.